Hello my friends in Australia. Well look, I have fantastic news for you. My dear friend Greg Morgan, he's my trader, coach and winner of the trader competition for the last 3 years running. He's my alter ego, Greg Morgan in Australia. He runs our trading floor in Sydney. He's going to be running, on my request, a brand new event called the Lifestyle Trader event. This is a 3-hour live event where Greg's going to show you our cumulative favorite trading strategy. It's the one we use on a daily basis to pay our bills. It is the trading strategy of the moment right now, and we're going to be giving it away for free for those who attend the Lifestyle Trader event that's coming up. If you've ever traded before, or if you're somewhat of a seasoned professional or even a seasoned novice, get yourself on this event. This is a trading strategy you definitely want to have on your armory belt. If you're somebody who's never done this before, this is a perfect event for a beginner. You need an internet connection, you need a laptop or a computer or a Mac, and we'll show you exactly how to set those up, how to monetize the currency markets whilst keeping the risk low, and this will all be explained in gloriful 3 hours live event with your host, Greg Morgan. If you haven't registered already, click the link below and get the last remaining tickets while they're still there.